Hi, in this video, let us see how to apply for a new license in NCEL e-licensing portal. To log into NCEL portal, users are required to create a new user account and activate the account. To log into this portal, click on Login and enter the credentials. This is the dashboard of a user. Once you log in, user will be able to apply for a brand new license by using this option. For the demo purpose, I have already prepared and pre-filled a new license application. To navigate to the pre-filled application, click on Unsubmitted Transactions. This is the application I have pre-filled. Click on this row to navigate to a pre-filled application. This is Pari-Mutual Wagering Facility License. These are the list of forms attached to this license type. Here are the different sections. First section is where we store all the instructions related to this license type. In this section, we will try to provide the list of documentation required and how to fill this application and all the regulatory codes attached to this license type. This is the section where user will provide the applicant information. As part of the applicant information, we are collecting the entity name and entity ownership structure and FAN number attached to this entity and few other filing details to identify our applicant. Along with these details, we are also collecting the entity contact information and few other critical details about the entity. The second section is entity business information. In this section, we are collecting the entity ownership information. Users will be able to use Add Principal Party button to add additional principal parties of this entity. For an example, I have added the principal owner of this NC Betting Corporation. Sky Betting Corporation is 100% owner of our applicant. And Robert Smith is a president of NC Sky Betting Corporation. Applicants will be able to add additional principal parties of person type and entity type as needed using this option. Let's go to the dashboard. The other form that is attached to this license type is location address. In this section, users will be able to provide the trade name of the business location. In our example, White Horse Bettings is our trade name. Also, it is called doing business as. Also, we are collecting the business location phone number and the business location address. In this example, we are collecting 1 Congress Street, United States, Granite Falls City, North Carolina. So if you see this section, USPS address, once the user enters the business location address, our system validates if it is a valid USPS address. In case if it is not a valid USPS address, users will be prompted with that statement and user will be able to enter non-USPS address. Also, we are collecting a mailing address for this particular license type. Users will be able to use a business location as mailing address or they will be able to enter another address as their mailing address. As part of the license configuration, will be able to add a different forms to this license types as needed. Once all necessary forms are filled, user will be presented with a finalizing application section. In this section, user will be providing all his acknowledgements and signatures at the application level. And this is our finalization section. In this section, we will try to run all the business rules attached to this license type and check if we received all the necessary documentation and necessary details for this license type. Once all the correct details are provided and validated, user's system will present a signature section. So this is a digital signature collected at this point of time for this license application. Once the application is filled and signed, user will be presented with an application summary section with all the details collected. Here is the application number, entity name, and the license type, and the entity details and principal party details and location details and mailing address. All of the details collected shown in one downloadable format. Users will be able to download this license application form and keep it for their records in the system. And users will be able to move forward. If there are any local certificates are required to start this business, in these sections, users will be able to upload any certificates required to apply for this license. For this example license, I haven't configured any certificates. Hence, let's move forward. Once all the necessary details are collected and verified, users can be able to pay online for this application form. So for this license type, I have configured $200 as the application fee. We will be able to change the application fee and add different fee components as needed. For the demo purpose, I have bypassed the payment component and system is automatically collecting the payment in the screen. So once payment is collected through the desired payment method, user will be able to download the receipt behind this report. Here is the report of the here is the receipt of the license type. New Pari Mutual Wagering license, $200, Sky Betting, and paid through credit card. This is the application number that is collected. Users will be able to store this receipt number. Once the receipt is downloaded, user can navigate back to dashboard. If you see the application is moved to in review section, here is waiting for the approval of agency. Thank you for watching.